very special day. Today I got an appointment at 9 o'clock. It's about 8, a little after 8. Okay, I'm about to take off the tarp and go down to where I gotta go. Let's go. Okay, just did a cold start. Got the GoPro ready. This thing is loud. I haven't warmed it up in like a day. Alright, let's go, gang. I'm about to mount the GoPro camera up here so you can actually take a ride with me. Let's go. See my tire pressure, bro. So this is the interior and the inside before, you guys. It is really, yeah, it was time. I didn't want to just go cheap and get no covers. So this is the, you know, before. It is a used car. I got it used. I think I'm like the second owner. Only had about 43,000 miles. Now I only have like about 56, 59. So let's get these seats redone, guys. Let's go. And the doors. Hey, gang. I just dropped off the car. They said it's gonna take about 5 to 6 hours. Okay, the time is 9:36. It's not gonna be ready until about 5:30, 6 o'clock. That's what he said. So about to go grab some breakfast. I just grabbed Babe's car. I didn't want to be, you know, without a car, so I'm about to grab breakfast and head back home. Alright, I will go check up on the car. I am going to turn my GoPro on to do a time lapse before I leave this area. Yeah. Place sounds good. I pulled up and drive through, and look what we have in front of us. Pretty clean. That nice blue. Okay. So it's breakfast time. I'm about to grab driving the Beamer, and I see something that look like Batman. This mug is lightweight clean though. Let me get on the side though. It's got the little wide body. You know what I'm saying? It's dope. It's dope. Okay. That motherfucker was lightweight clean. Y'all, I'm here. Let's see. She should be done. I just got a text message to come. Let's check her out. Oh, she's right there. Coming to pick up the car. You got some nice stuff up in here, boy. Okay. Alright, alright. Ooh, is that spider for sale? Is that's the customers? The slingshot? Go store something. Alright, cool. Alright, let's check it out. Let's go check out the Challenger and see what's going on. It's unlocked already? Alright guys. I haven't opened the door, took a look at it yet or nothing. The windows are super dark, so you can't even see. You feel me? Can't see nothing yet. Oh shit. Oh shit. I can't cuss, but damn. You gotta come look at this. It was different. Hold on, I gotta do this real quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. What you think? Shit. That's why I said hella times too.
Oh, excuse me.
Can't say it. Look at it, matches and everything.
The back seats is nice.
Yeah, I got it front back.
Yeah, that's nice.
Smell good too.
Brand new car.
You feel me? See the door panels? I didn't want to do the armrest. I feel like that was gonna be doing too much.
No, it flows. It goes. You did good.
If you guys interested in where I got my custom done at, go ahead, tap in. Here's the owner. You want to say anything, boss?
Just that's a mobile auto accessories, Katzkin auto rice installer.
Thank you so much. He did a great job, y'all, man. Y'all come check him out. Tell him our money sent you. All right? Not gonna lie, it feel like a brand new car, bro. Like the smell of it, just the look, the feel, the grip. Oh my gosh! And I got the white stitching to go with it. I should have got black, but I got white. You feel me? Let's go. From home, guys, I love the red seats. Let me tell you. The red seats make me drive faster. I know that sounds crazy, but when you get the red seats, it's just, I don't know, I'm just so juiced. We about to go take an extra spin right now, just so you know what I mean. It feels so good to have what you want. It cost a pretty penny, you know what I'm saying, but it was worth it. I got the front and the back. I was gonna get the custom logo, but they couldn't do it. I could put up a picture of what I wanted, but they couldn't do it, so I just said scratch it. But anyways, I'm very happy, you guys. If you watch the whole video, I'm going to be throwing up some before and after, so you'll see, you know, I had the car for 2 years, you know what I mean, and to do this upgrade is like, you know what I mean, it's a really big thing. I've been doing a lot of mods, but this one right here is like, you know, it tops it. It's like 10 out of 10, and they did a great job. So yeah, gang gang. You hear the beats? You hear the beats?
I already got the seats dirty.
Hey, it ain't easy. Put your seatbelt on. Lego.